This Pokemon's name is Durant. He's a steel and bug type. And they live in burrows. And finished. Alexa, name a few types of ant.
Here's something I found on the web. According to colonialpus.com, some of the most common types of ants are acrobat ants, velvet ants, pavement ants, fire ants, pharaoh ants, odorous house ants, and carpenter ants.
Alexa, what are acrobat ants?
Crematogaster is an ecologically diverse genus of ants found worldwide, which are characterized by a distinctive heart-shaped gaster, which gives them one of their common names, the St. Valentine ant. Members of this genus are also known as cocktail ants because of their habit of raising their abdomens when alarmed. Most species are arboreal.
Alexa, what is a caveman ant?
Here's something I found on the web. According to wikipedia.org, a caveman is a popular stylized characterization of how early humans or hominids looked and behaved.
There we are, folks. That's how you draw Durant. Stegosaurus, see you later.